go.
Please subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are posted. Thank you. Well, there's a fire up there. That's where I was the other day when I did the video for you guys at Senator Highway, up in that general area there. I don't know if that's a controlled burn or if that's a fire. Well, I'm glad I'm not going out there today. I wouldn't want to be out there either way with all that smoke. I hope it's a controlled burn, not a wildfire. Today we're going to go out Copper Basin Road. We'll be able to go up that way in a little while. It'll be too cold and too much snow. That fire has got me worried. We'll be going in sort of in that direction, but not like if we were going to go out Senator Highway. We'll be a ways away from, well, actually, now that I get over this way, it doesn't look like it's out there where Senator Highway was either. Maybe over there by Walker, where Lynx Lake was, where I showed you a while back where I had the camera malfunction. I went back in there. I'll put that up sometime so you can see the south shore of the lake. I sure hope that's a controlled burn. Well, I'll turn this back on when we get to the area where I want to show you. Well, I got detoured around and I lost the detour signs. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, this is Copper Basin Road, okay. Well, I got here. They're working on the streets downtown and I didn't know about it. But they weren't real clear on their detour signs. They kind of just stopped putting them up. So I wasn't sure I was going to get over here. But I did. This is Copper Basin. This turns into a dirt road up here a little ways and takes you on over into Skull Valley. If I ever get a dirt bike, I'm going to go that way, but I'm not going to take my Harley that way. Everything up here is expensive, even though it's old. Everybody wants to live in the forest. And everybody been moving here lately, so the price of property has just gone up. Terrible. If you've lived here a long time like me, or you were born and raised here, you can't afford to buy anything because wages aren't very good here. If you didn't already buy it a long time ago and keep it, you're out. Lost out. road going down the hill the other way because I picked it up from coming around the forest roads on around Thumb Butte area there. That was in my old 90 pickup truck that I had back when we first moved here. I did that. Came up here in February, came around there, it was all snow and ice and everything, but we didn't get stuck. Thought we were a few times, but we didn't. Then I came up here once in the summer, and the road was so damn rough. It was smoother when it was covered in snow. It was so rough, I said I'd never bring my truck up there again. But if I can get a dirt bike, I'll do that sometime. I don't remember this four-way stop here, but like I said, I haven't been here that much. Chilly. This is higher elevation than my place. My place is, I don't know, 56, 5,700 feet, something like that. But this could be, we could be over 6,000 right here. This goes up to 6,500 feet, this mountain. You know, these homes been here a long time. They got those cluster mailboxes where they don't want to deliver to your house. Yep. Pavement ends up here. I'm not going to go on the dirt, at least not very far on it. Now I'm going to turn around. I don't like turning around on a hill, but I don't have much choice. I don't like to go in the dirt. It makes a mess of whatever vehicle you're taking in there. For one thing, dirt gets all over the back end of my truck. Something terrible gets all over my bike. Plus 800 pounds on the dirt, I'm not too thrilled with. And we'll go back down here and go all the way down to 89. I don't know how far I can get on 89 since down they routed me out and around. But this way you get to see the whole road, all the Copper Basin of the paved part of the paved road. Yeah, there's that smoke over there. Well, there's no wind. Even if it is a wildfire, they should get control of it real easy because there's no wind. I don't know why things catch on fire so often anymore. They didn't used to around here. I know sometimes the fires get started by lightning, but we haven't had any lightning. Most of pay better attention. I did that up in the northern part of the Oregon coast. First time I did it, I had no idea the stop sign was there, and you really couldn't see it until just before you got there, coming up a hill. But then I did it again the next year when I knew it was there. I was looking for it, but I wasn't really ready for it, and I ran right through it again. Looking green house up on top of that hill up there. Odd shape. Sign said there was a four-way intersection up here. It didn't say if there was a stop sign or not, but I better get prepped for it. I don't see anything. Vehicles in front of their house over there. Well, I never saw it in the intersection, let alone any stop signs. Tell most of these homes have been around a long time. They're not new. I remember that bike when we went up, so I guess we haven't gotten to the part we haven't been on yet. Down there to 89. Yeah, because that's the safe way up at this signal on the left. Yeah, no, we got to most of it on the when we got detoured on there. Yeah, there's the Safeway over there. It's not right here on the corner, it's over there.